Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to share with you guys a really cool tip to do on your PayPal invoices that could get you more money. This is for all of you who are potentially freelancers who use PayPal to create and send out invoices. And if you don't know how to create an invoice using PayPal, check out this tutorial here. I go through the entire process, how to fill it out, what to put in, and how to actually send it out. So we actually use PayPal a lot, and I send out a lot of invoices, and we receive a lot of invoices to pay. And I noticed that when we receive invoices from others to pay, they're not doing the tip that we do on our invoices. So this is it right here. Pretend like you're in your PayPal invoice and you're filling out the information, right? You're billing it to the so-and-so address. You're putting in the description of what the item is, the price of the item. And most people, they fill all that out and then, they just go down to the bottom and send it. Well, if you go to the middle of the invoice, there's this part right here. Allow customer to add a tip. Most people have that unchecked. Make sure that is checked. You would be surprised how many times we receive a tip just by having that checked and on there. When we send out our invoices, when we're billing people to get paid, we don't outright say anything about this tip function here. They'll just visually see it when they receive the invoice. Now, obviously, to receive a tip, you need to provide outstanding service. You need to do good work. So don't expect to receive a tip if you're not putting in full effort and over-delivering with whatever product or service. So like I said, we don't actually say anything about this. We just send them the invoice, do the work, and it is amazing to see how many times people will go above the agreed upon payment and give us a tip. So definitely make sure to turn that on. And also, here are a couple of other bonus tips. When you're doing a note to the recipient, don't leave it blank. And don't say something like what the product actually is, like ebook or something like that. Let's just pretend that's what it was. You actually want to be deliberate and write a nice note to the recipient. After all, you are billing them and they're going to be paying you. So you want to write something nice to them. So let's just pretend like it's to someone named Jenny. So I would say something like, "Thank you so much, Jenny. Looking forward to starting your new YouTube channel." Something like that. A personalized message. And that's something I would actually write because we do YouTube coaching, and if they don't have a channel and this is a new journey for them, I'll say something like that because I am genuinely excited when someone gets coaching from us, and I'm excited for them to start a new channel. So that's a bonus tip right there. Utilize that spot. Don't leave it blank, and don't just write whatever the product or service is, because that's what up here is for, description of the product and service. So this is what it looks like when the person receives the invoice. This is in preview mode right here. And you'll see here right at the top, it'll say add a tip, and the person who's receiving this invoice can either do a percentage or they can do a dollar amount. Don't leave money on the table. Make sure you click that. Provide outstanding service. When you put out that good energy, people will repay you for it. Alright guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please let us know by giving us a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.